Guys, look at the car we're reviewing today. BMW Z1, check it out. Guys, we're driving the BMW Z1. Only 4 of these cars in Ukraine. The car costs about 60 to 70,000 euros in Europe. There may be some noise in the sound. Sorry, I drive with the doors open on purpose to enjoy it. Do you guys realize that this car is more rare than the McLaren? It's just exclusive. Cosmos. Knew this car cost as much as a Porsche 911. As for the steering, it is an old-school car, it drives well, it is soft, and the car accelerates very well. As for the features, the whole car is special. Here is the landing of a good, expensive supercar. Wide sill, bucket-shaped seats, just unreal comfort. By the way, interesting fact. This car was presented in 1986. Look, we have a car in perfect condition. You see these badges here. They don't look presentable anymore. There are these new and original ones, they will be replaced. They have been waiting a long time, but the owner is a stickler for the fact that old parts are still better than bought new. This is how collector cars are classified. You press it, the door rises and the glass rises at the same time. It's cool, right? This is great. The door opens the same way. Did you know that this car is all plastic?
Yes, I knew a long time ago, when we saw these cars only in the catalogs of some magazines. And then there was some review, I read that the car was made entirely of plastic. There was even a manual where people at a specialized service station could completely reassemble the car in about 4 hours and make it a different color.
This is the first BMW model to use lenses. These are the smallest nostrils of any BMW car. There are a few elements painted here. The car is just polished, not beaten, not smeared, not glued. I want to tell you about several features of this car. First of all, unreal seats, it's just fantastic. The backs of the seats are painted. There is such a cool flashlight glowing in the back. Isn't that interesting? Just fantastic. The car didn't come with air conditioning, because in such a small space there was no place to install it physically. You have this special handle on top. There is only a small clock, there is no onboard computer. Let's talk about what we have in the back. You see that big hole? That's the diffuser. We open the trunk lid. And what do we see here? Very small trunk. There's that kit here, too. I never opened it in the Z1. It's very interesting. Perhaps we should show it from the other side, so the viewers can see it. This is what it looks like. You see, the hood moves forward a little. How cool. It's just fantastic. It goes up like a BMW from those years. All the plastic parts on the inside are shagreen painted. 2.5-liter motor, 170 powers, 5-speed gearbox. What can I say about this car? My driving impressions. Guys, this is not an old car. I was sure it was a go-kart. I drove a Lotus Elise, it's a kart-type car, and it's similar to our car. But this is a real BMW. The car is definitely not affordable for everyone, and that's its exclusivity. These cars will only get more expensive, that's the end of it. Gentlemen, have some taste. Serdjio was with you.